Big massive thank you to Mapiful for collaborating with me on this video. Picture out to me for free. You've managed to open this bit on how we met, because we met in the June of 09 and then we were married in the October of 09, and we talked about how we got married on a budget for less than £1,000 as well. I felt when I met Ryan, and that night that I met him, I wrote in my journal that I said, I don't know, there's just something different about this guy and I think I'm going to marry him. And,
I'll sing until my lungs give out, you're beautiful.
Hi and welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. You would have seen from the introduction that I surprised Ryan for our wedding anniversary with a custom print from Mapiful. I want to say a big massive thank you to Mapiful for collaborating with me on this video. They sent out this beautiful picture out to me for free, and I am absolutely blown away with it. So this is the photo what my friend took when we got married. We had a very small budget and we only had like £1,000 to spend in total, including our outfits, venues and everything, and he kindly took this photo, well, all our photos, for free, and this is the picture that we love so much. So I decided to create the design, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And if you zoom in, this is called text art. You can see that there's the scripture there, which says, love is patient, love is kind, which is very close to mine and Ryan's heart, this scripture. And I have put the day we became one and then our wedding day. So like I said, we just celebrated our 11th wedding anniversary, and I was looking for something different to get Ryan, and when Mapiful reached out to me, I'd not heard of them before, so I went over to the website and I was just like, wow, this is such a cool different idea, and he would not expect that I would get in something like that. And what I liked about it as well was it wasn't just a case of me going to get something printed out. I could make it different. It's unique, as they say on the website. So as you can see here on the website, it says unique custom prints of your biggest moments in life. So it could be like a town or city where you met your partner, could be a birthday, when you've had your baby, wedding anniversary, or your wedding day. They have so much to choose from, and I chose the text art Mapiful print, like I said, but there's a zodiac Mapiful, so if you put the date in, then you can have like the sorry, getting muddled up now. You can put the star Mapiful in, so then it'll show your like the star constellation of that day. There's the classic Mapiful, and then there's the zodiac Mapiful as well. So, and it's very easy to navigate. I'm not very technologically like minded, so when I went on, I was thinking, right, how am I going to do this? But it was very easy to do. So I'm going to show you now how I ordered mine. So they're 100% customizable and they're high quality, and there's free shipping worldwide, which I found really fantastic. And when mine came, it unboxed really well, and it wasn't like crumpled up or anything like that, and it was easy for us to get in our frame. So as I was saying, like when you go on here, you can choose frames as well, so you can have a full frame, or you can have a hanger. And the print, it's great as well, because when you go on, it has like some examples of pictures here to show you like what it looks like, and then you can change the colour. So you upload your photo and then you choose your repeated text, so you could put in whatever you wanted to, and there's a certain amount of like letters that you can use. So yeah, enter a quote or some special text, and then you can pick your style and colour, so you could have black and white. Like with mine, I really liked having the blue, and I thought that the white frame contrasted really well with my dress and my veil and Ryan's shirt. And then you can turn your favourite memories into a piece of art. And yeah, so I mean, just to give you an example, you could choose some family photos, a wedding memorial, or say travel photos, anything really, and then put the text on. So yeah, it's like I said, it's 100% customizable, and there's different sizes as well. Very, very straightforward ordering, and yeah, it looks absolutely beautiful hung up on my wall. Like on the classic Mapiful, it says, whether it be your hometown, the place you met your partner, or where you tied the knot, tell the story of the place that made you. So I've showed you the picture and everything, and I wanted to just like, I've got videos, I think we've got 2 videos actually. One on how we met, because we met in the June of 09, and then we were married in the October of 09, and we talked about how we got married on a budget for less than £1,000 as well. But in case you've not seen them videos, I will leave them above if you want to check them out. But yeah, the reason why I decided to choose this was because this is such a pivotal day in our lives when we got married. It was just such a beautiful, amazing day, and I must admit, I think some people thought that we were crazy getting married so quickly. You know, like people might have been a bit worried that we might not know each other, but I can't describe how I felt when I met Ryan. And that night that I met him, I wrote in my journal that I said, I don't know, there's just something different about this guy, and I think I'm going to marry him. And I said, if I don't, he's put my faith back in men, because at the time before I met him, I'd had a few bad relationships, and I wondered whether I was going to meet anybody. And I met Ryan, and he just, like, I don't know, he just tipped my world upside down in a good way. So for us to get married, I just felt like it was a way for us to be able to say to each other and the world like how much we love each other, and like our vows, like they meant so much to us. And these words, love is patient, love is kind, that's what we try to incorporate in our marriage every single day. The text that I chose, it's very significant to Ryan and I, because we said it in our vows, and also when we found out that we were pregnant with Caleb. I'll try and put a photo here of the 2 of us. The day that we found out, this is the photo, and I got that picture printed, and I had a frame, and I just printed out the words, the scripture, and put it on a piece of paper, and then put the photo on. So it's just always been I don't know, it's just very, very significant to both Ryan and I. So I thought it would be fantastic to put that in our print, and he was really, really pleased with it. So yeah, that's a little bit of a story behind why I decided to choose this print. But like I said, I will link above the videos if you want to check them out, about when we met and about our wedding and how we managed to do it like on a budget. From our 10-year anniversary, actually, we were celebrating with the children. We was having a traditional English fish and chips, and we was just talking about just like this last 10 years and about when we met. Oh, Ryan, just can't wait to get in.
Okay.
You can't wait to get in your wedding anniversary. He doesn't know what I got him. So you're gonna open it, Ryan? Hey? You've managed to open this bit. Are you ready to open it?
Yeah. Boo! Dun, 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 dun. Me. What is this, Daddy? Whoa! What is this? What's Mommy done now?
I got Daddy a surprise for our wedding anniversary.
Woohoo! Ooh, Daddy! Help me, Daddy!
Ryan, pack it in!
What is this?
Whoa!
Careful, careful, baby! It's wrapped up well, isn't it, to protect it?
Wrapped up.
Yeah!
Wow! Look at this, guys. That's deep. Whoa, that's deep. Hey, we became one. Our wedding. Wow, that is really, really smart.
Can you see what it's saying, the words?
It says love is patient, love is kind. All over the place. Love is patient, love is kind, love is patient, love is kind.
And then it's got a nice frame that you can put it in.
So
what do you think, Caleb?
That's deep, man. Deep, Daddy. Who's that?
I think,
That's a
Ryan.
very nice.
It'll go up there, hung up there.
That's deep there.
Do you want to put it in this lovely frame?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Look at this nice frame, that, isn't it? Wooden. You can choose different colours. And this you can choose like black and white. You can like do all sorts of different things. I was thinking about getting, you know, when we met, you can get like the map of, you know, where we met as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Thanks, neighbour. Yeah, so there it is. So I'm just going to put it in the frame. Yeah, so we've just finished putting it in the frame.
No, that's very thoughtful. Appreciate it. Social type of person you are that would do something like that.
Oh, thanks.
Appreciate it, love you.
I love you too, babes. Yeah, that looks so nice there, doesn't it? Oh, doesn't that look nice?
Nice!
Hey?
Very smart.
Please leave me a comment down below of, would you choose Zodiac, the classic, or would you have like a text art like I have, or would you have the constellation, and what special occasion would you be marking? Please leave me a comment down below and let me know. I would love to hear. What I will do is I will leave the website down below, and they also have an Instagram page as well, so I'm going to put that down in the description box if you want to go over and check out their website. I just want to say another big thank you for Mapiful for sending me this beautiful item. I'm just so happy. When I do lives now, and when Ryan does lives as well with the sports channel, we have this behind us above the fireplace, and I just think it looks really beautiful, and it just brings back so many memories, and the kids love looking at the photo as well. So yeah, it's really nice. I'm just so pleased. So I hope that you liked this video, and if you have any questions or anything like that, then please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Beautiful.